Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next problem. Problem having been chosen from the book Elements of Electromagnetics by Matthew N.O. Sadiq. Okay, Elements of Electromagnetics by Matthew N.O. Sadiq. Okay. As usual, we first come to its statement. Okay, given point P having coordinates minus 2, 6, 3 and vector A equal to y ax plus x plus z a y. Express P and A in cylindrical and spherical coordinates. Evaluate A at P in the Cartesian, cylindrical and spherical systems. Dear students, this problem is of the nature that it falls under electrodynamics as well as classical mechanics as well as mathematical methods in physics. Okay, and may also fall under some other branch of physics, perhaps like quantum mechanics, fluid mechanics, etc. Okay, now we are going towards its solution, but before starting its solution in a formal or regular manner, we will have to show a few snapshots. Okay, these snapshots will provide us a foundation regarding the solution of this problem and will make us easier to understand the problem. Okay, so in the solution, first snapshot is about circular cylindrical coordinates rho phi z, rho phi z, where formula for determining rho is equal to x square plus y square whole under root, and formula for determining phi is phi equal to tangent inverse y over x, while z is same as given in the statement in Cartesian coordinates. Okay, now x is equal to rho cos phi, y is equal to rho sin phi, and z is equal to z. Okay, these are formulas. Some of these may be applied in this problem and remaining may be applied in next problems of this chapter of this book. Okay, now spherical coordinates are theta phi. Dear students, here phi is the same as we determined in previous snapshot. Okay, here r is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, theta is equal to tangent inverse x square plus y square under root over z, and phi is equal to tangent inverse y over x. Okay, these are formulas. Okay, here x is equal to r sin theta cos phi, y is equal to r sin theta sin phi, and z is equal to r cos theta. Dear students, next a table of Greek alphabets has been shown in order to show that whether we have pronounced this and similar other constants correctly or not. This symbol is this symbol phi, p h i phi. Okay, one is phi and one is psi. This is p s i psi. Yes, this is not psi, this is phi. Phi, p h i phi. I think we should move forward. Okay, the purpose of this table was only to this extent. Okay, dear students, this table is usually given in almost every book on general physics. Purpose of this table is to find out the values of sine, cos, tan, different angles and inverse. Okay, this is the starting portion of that table. Here degrees start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this sequence goes up to 90 degree. Okay, similarly on the other hand is used when we are going to find out the inverse. Okay, actually dear students, this table has been copied, pasted, selected from the book Physics for Scientists and Engineers by Douglas C. Gyan Kohli. Okay, but it is not necessary. Almost in every book such tables are given, and such values can also be taken directly from internet by online converter. But actually dear students, in our problems I am first time including this table so that we may be able to find out such trigonometric values manually. Okay, so dear students, next again next is the almost later part, next again later part of this table. Okay, now we are going to start our problem, our solution in a formal manner. Okay, given x is equal to -2, y equal to 6, z equal to 3, this implies that rho is equal to x square plus y square under root. After simplification our answer becomes rho equal to 6.32. Okay, so we have solved one part of this problem. Okay, then again, given x equal to -2, y equal to 6 and z equal to 3, then second coordinate phi is equal to tangent inverse y over x, is this becomes equal to tangent inverse 6 over -2, this becomes equal to tangent inverse -3, and this becomes equal to 108 degree. Okay, dear students, actually if we take this value tangent inverse -3 from online converter, then it will give us the exact value in degrees, in points. But because we are dealing here manually, so we take a full exact value 108 rather than 108 point so. Okay, here a hint or a explanation is given that because 180 minus 72 is equal to 108, it means actually dear students, this curly bracket, I think this is, yes, curly bracket. Okay, in this curly bracket it is shown that because 180 minus 72 is equal to 108. Actually dear students, tangent inverse plus 3 is equal to 72, but it is tangent inverse minus 3. So this figure, that is degree 72, will be subtracted from 180 degree. Now we go back to table and see tangent inverse 3. Okay, because tangent inverse not -3, tangent inverse +3. This is the value. Okay, dear student, this is the table. This is 2.904, this is 3.078. We will choose this value. Okay, at this value 3.078 degree is 72. Okay, so we have subtracted 72 degree from 180 degree, and hence tangent inverse -3 has been reached. Okay, now dear students, we move to next part. Okay, given x equal to this, y equal to this, and z equal to this implies that r is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and after simplification our r becomes equal to 7. Okay, now next part, given x equal to this. Okay, here this implies that theta is equal to tangent inverse x square plus y square under root over z. This implies that tangent inverse is equal to 40 by 3, 40 under root by 3, and this is this is equal to tangent inverse 2.11, and this is equal to 65 degree. Now we see how we have come to conclude that this value tangent inverse 2.11 is equal to 65 degree. We go back to that table from where we have found this value. Okay, 65 is okay, 2.145. okay, that value is 2 point something, and 2 point something is this value. Okay, so this value is 65 degree. Okay, so I think matter is quite clear, no further explanation needed. Okay, we can also take such values directly from online calculator, from internet, from Google. Okay, but for the first time I am dealing with these values manually. Okay, so manual use. Next part, given x equal to this, y equal to this, z equal to this implies that theta equal to tangent inverse x square plus y square. Oh, sorry, this part has been solved. Okay, this part has been already seen, because perhaps, dear students, by mistakenly this page, this step has been tangent inverse 2.11, tangent inverse 2.11, tangent inverse 2, yes, tangent inverse 2.11 equal to 65 degree. Okay, this is a little portion has been repeated mistakenly. No worries, no mistake. Okay, actually such problems are typed in math type software where copy paste version is utilized again and again, so mistakenly this is little portion has been copied pasted twice. Okay, so this implies that r theta 5 becomes equal to 765 degree and 108 degree. We have already calculated 108 degree in previous part. Okay, this is the end of our problem, this is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.